tighten them knots. Let's get it in.
Oh my God, zip that up so it don't fall out, because it's falling. Zip it.
Explain to me.
All right.
I got this one.
Be careful.
All right, see y'all a little bit. Oh, that Ferrari shit is out this motherfucker, man. I smell Ferrari goddamn gas out this motherfucker. No Ferrari gas smell a little different, man. Ferrari gas out this motherfucker. They ain't this party yet.
Some of that good shit, man. All we smoke is loud. Word up. Straight out of High Point. Loud smokers.
Definitely.
I promise you. Ratchetboishit.
Shout out to my cousin DJ Legit. We finna get it in, boy. Shout out to Smokes. Shout out to Nico. Shout out to Dina. Hold up.
You move and work out where you from. Definitely. Don't leave the house without your gun. Definitely. You get to poppin' when it's on. Definitely. You bout big things. Definitely. You bout that life that you be rapping. Definitely. You really seen it when it happen. Definitely. They need your ass inside of man. Definitely.
Shit for me. Hey, can somebody count this shit? Can I get a bitch that's gonna help count some motherfucking money? Don't even never pick that quarter off. What? That's for the bitches, that's for the dogs. They eat off the ground. They eat off the ground for the dogs. Alright, Jay's making eat off the ground. I was pissed the other day, like,
Yeah, he came home, he stick with that shit. I lost my shit. Yeah, yo, my nigga.
Oh yeah, I forgot both of y'all got a lot of Ferrari shit.
Got them, me and him got them went did a little bit of shit.
I remember those, but I remember hearing about that shit though. I was locked up down in the prison, like, what the fuck? We gonna hit the road, meet everybody on the parking deck. Definitely squad on.
I'm legit. Not because I'm living legal. Check my resume, everything official to serve. You move and work out where you from. Definitely. Don't leave the house without your gun. Definitely. You get to poppin' when it's on. Definitely. You bout big things. Definitely. You bout that life that you be rapping. Definitely. You really seen it when it happen. Definitely. They mean your ass inside of man. Definitely. I say exactly what
someone that supply me in the streets, find me, perfect timing. I know we gon' blow, but in the meantime, I'm grinding. Your city shining, and that nigga hating shit. But you can witness it on the final. But you can witness it for definitely in effect, my nigga. Ratchetboy, BG Records, look out for that.
Keep it coming.
so I make sure I get where I'm going. You know, I was trying to get where we're going step by step, man. Shout out No Stress. Shout out the whole campaign over there. Cap 1, I see you, my nigga. Showtime. Cap 1 up, man. Shout out the Chop House, you know what I'm saying, producing the mixtape. Shout out the East Side for hosting the mixtape. Shout out my nigga Wiley. You know that one got them dog to the heart right there. Shout out my nigga Ruger. You know what I'm saying? Cold Name. Big out that if you can, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Lil Plus. Shout out to definitely shout out to Young Tragedy. Shout out to Ratchetboishit. Definitely. Hit single on the radio. Yeah, we buzzed. We got the whole Carolina smashing. You better get on the fan. Man. Shout out to Ratchetboishit. Shout out my nigga Demon. Shout out to everybody coming out tonight. Shout out my nigga Gail, aka Black Migo, excuse me Migo. Shout out to everybody niggas out there on that movement. Shout out to everybody living that life. And shout out to B nigga. Shout out to 1080 nigga. Shout out that guy. Yeah, shout out that guy. But blessings he keeps sending. That's why he like that.